sa Lucky Fan Signing Event. Sino na dito bukas? Babalik kayo dito. So, see you and yeah, let's enjoy today for now. 안녕하세요. We are Party daw na sa Let's Turn Lucky 7 Up! Dapat tumatalon yung mga nito ah! Guys, let's do one more time, okay? Last one, okay? Let's go. Okay, back to formation.
Thank you for coming to my concert, alright?
Guys, thank you.
Ali guys, mamuli na. Toyota Link.
Guys, pag bumaba kayo, hindi kayo makikita sa picture. So, medyo 1 or 2 steps up. Thank you.
Guys, why don't you go? Another! Sorry.
Oh, one more.
Sobrang saya kasi ang dami nyo ngayon. Kahit hindi pa ngayon yung main event, syempre bukas magkikita tayo sa Lucky Fan Signing Event. Sino nandito bukas? Yun! Babalik kayo ha! Babalik kayo dito. So, see you and yeah, let's enjoy today for now.
Hello guys, my name is Jermaine. I'm the main dancer in the performance of my group and I'm so happy to see you guys and sana tomorrow pumunta po kayo lahat. Okay, see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Hello! Hello! Marcus!
See you later. Thank you for welcoming us. But before, let's greet and introduce ourselves first. 하나, 둘, 셋. 안녕하세요. We are Horizon. Do you want to introduce yourself, Winston, first? Yeah, Winston. Introduce yourself. Hi guys, I'm Winston Horizon.
Ayaw sa mga taga Cebu.